So students, page number 295. All of you open your textbooks, page number 295. Page number 295. This is the last exercise, exercise 11.4. So those who are absent yesterday or previous classes, so you should be very alert because so many formulas we discussed in this chapter and all the formulas are new. You have not studied these formulas in the previous classes. Suppose if some algebraic formulas, suppose if I use, so you may be somewhere studied in the lower classes. Suppose if I use a plus b whole cube formula, a minus b whole cube formula, you studied in the lower classes. Suppose if I use the formulas for area of a circle, area of a square, area of rectangle, that formulas also you studied in the lower classes. So most of the formulas you may be studied in the lower classes in one or other class, but the trigonometry is entirely a new chapter and you did not study any formula in the lower classes. So it's entirely new chapter and first time you are studying all these formulas. So you should be very alert. If you have missed the yesterday's class or any other class, so be alert. Whatever formula I am applying in the question, in the problem, I will write it. So you see the formula and see how I am applying that formula. So be active, be alert, because this is an important exercise and important difficult problems also and lengthy problems also. Write down. Simplify 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. See here, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So one more instruction to all of you is, because the problems are difficult problems, lot many formulas, lot of analysis. So when I am writing on the board, when I am explaining, don't write, just stop and listen. I will give time. Suppose if I give time and this time is not sufficient, you please write in the chat box so that I will give more time to write, to copy that problem. But when I am teaching, don't write, because this is very, very important and difficult exercise. Don't write. Okay? And if the time is not sufficient, you can ask me, because no hurry. Even if you go with this speed also, we have completed many chapters and we are going to complete the full syllabus before the schedule. No doubt in that. Okay, see here. How to simplify this? We have to simplify. So how to simplify? To simplify, actually we have to multiply these two. 1 into 1, 1 into cot theta, 1 into cosec theta. Similarly, tan theta into 1, tan theta into cot theta, tan theta into cosecant theta. Like that we have to multiply. So if you multiply directly, we will get the value. But one big step we will get. Otherwise, if you don't have any idea, what to do, then simply convert the problem into sine and cos. So there are various methods for solving this problem. So I will convert it into sine and cos. See here. Total problem I will keep only in sine, cos. I will remove tan, I will remove secant, I will remove cot, I will remove cos, and I will convert them into sine and cos. How to change this into sine theta and cos theta? How to change this also in terms of sine and cos? That I will tell. See here, don't write. Don't write. I gave the formula tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. I gave this formula. Sin theta is equal to cos theta by tan theta is equal to sin by cos formula I gave. Don't write. Next, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. I gave this formula. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. I gave this formula. And cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. This formula also we have studied. So total problem I will change into sin and cos. That will be convenient because we have to simplify. Even if you multiply these two as it is also we can simplify. Or if you convert into sin and cos also we can simplify. Any method we can apply. See here, I am changing the problem into sin and cos. Don't write. 1 plus tan is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Secant is equal to what? 1 by cos. Secant is equal to what? 1 by cos. See. Same way, cot theta is equal to, we can use this formula. What is that? Cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant is equal to 1 by sin. Cosecant is equal to what? 1 by sin. So, I changed all these four. I totally convert that problem into only two ratios. Sin and cos. Total in terms of sin and cos. Whatever formulas I applied, I wrote here. I wrote the formulas here. Don't write. See here. I am taking LCM. What is the LCM? Cos theta. I am taking the LCM. What is the numerator? Cos theta into 1 cos theta plus sin theta minus, that is plus 1. See how I am adding the fractions. Cos theta LCM, cos theta into 1 cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. See, don't write. See, I am taking the LCM sin theta. What is the numerator? Sin theta into 1 sin theta plus cos theta. You know how to take the LCM. LCM and writing the numerator, that you know. Just the first step, converting this into sin and cos, that if I explain, this step you know. How to add the fractions, how to subtract the fractions, what is the LCM, that everything you know. Even then I explained, sin theta is the LCM. Sin theta into 1 sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta 1 time 1 into 1 is 1. Now how to simplify? We have to multiply these two. Multiply these two. Multiplying means this into this, like that we have to write a full step. We will get 9 terms. But easy method is, see here. Take this total as A. Cos theta plus sin theta as A, 1 as B. So see here, cos theta plus sin theta as A. Cos plus sin or sin plus cos, both are same. So this is A, this is B. See here, A plus B into A minus B. Direct we know. A plus B into A minus B. What is the answer? A square minus B square. Be careful, don't write. A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. What is the multiplication? A square minus B square. See here. A plus B into A minus B. A square. A square means, what is A? Cos theta plus sin theta. This is A. Sin theta plus cos theta or cos theta plus sin theta, both are same. So, see here. A square A plus B. A minus B. B is 1. So, what is the answer? A square. A means this total is A square minus B square. What is B? 1 by denominator. Now, don't write. A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 1 square is 1. This cos theta into sin theta, cos theta sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta is cos theta into sin theta. Same. Now, all of you see here. This is our first identity. See the formulas, yesterday's formulas. Just look at yesterday's formulas. Every time you see the formulas. What is cos square theta plus sin square theta? Tell the value. See the value. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to how much? 1. I gave the formula. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. See here. Don't write. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to how much? 1 plus this total cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta same minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Cos square plus sin square is 1. This is minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. What is the numerator? 2 cos theta sin theta remains. By denominator cos theta sin theta remains. Sin cancel. Cos cancel. 2 answer. 2 answer. You just copy it. Again I will explain. Students, you copy it. No hurry. Let us go slow. So if you don't understand, you tell me. Again I will explain. Right now. Step by step you write down. Again I will explain. Those who joined late for the class, I will explain. Students, somebody asked explain once again. I will explain once again because this exercise I don't compromise. Any number of times you can ask because this is very important exercise and a lot many formulas. I will once again explain. I will write a little bigger. Once again I am explaining the problem. Students, see here. We have to, the question is simplify this. Maximum simplification we have to do using our formulas. Identities, formulas, whatever we studied, use them and simplify. Simplification means we can do various methods. Suppose if we multiply these two, bracket means multiplication, no? 1 into 1, 1 into cot theta, 1 into cosecant theta, tan theta into 1, tan theta into cot theta, tan theta into cosecant theta, secant into 1, secant into cot, secant into cosecant. Like that if you multiply we can do it. That also we can do. So another method is, suppose if you won't get any idea, change the problem into sine and cos. Most of the cases, if you change the problem into sine and cos, we will get it. So I am changing this tan, secant, cot, cosecant total into only sine cos, only two ratios. How? We have the formula. See here. Tan is equal to sine by cos. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta formula I have given. Secant is equal to, see the formulas, 1 by cos. I gave this formula. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. Cot is equal to, I gave this formula. Just see the formulas. Cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant is equal to, I gave this formula, 1 by sin theta. Yesterday only we wrote all these formulas. Yesterday, last class. Just one page back, you will find all these formulas. So I am using these formulas. I will change the total problem into only sine cos, only two ratios. Here there are four. Tan is there, secant is there, cot is there, cosecant is there. Four ratios are there. So I will use these formulas so that I will get only sine and cos. It will be convenient like this. See here, don't write. 1 plus tan is equal to, what is the formula? Tan is equal to sine by cos. Tan is equal to sin theta by cos theta plus secant is equal to what? 1 by cos theta. That's all. Now 1 plus cot theta, cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant is 1 by sin theta. That's all. I applied these formulas. Next step is very simple. Take LCM. It is not taking LCM and writing the numerator. It is not related to the trigonometry. You know, even in 5th class, 6th class also you know how to take the LCM. 5th class, 6th class you studied the LCM. So cos theta LCM is cos theta. LCM. What is the numerator? So by 1 cos theta and cos theta into 1. Cos theta into 1 cos theta. Plus cos same sin theta plus cos same plus 1. 1 is there. Here also I will take LCM sin theta. LCM is sin theta. Numerator sin theta into 1 sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Just first step, if you know, this step just directly you know, because cos theta is LCM. That you studied in the 5th class, 6th to 7th. Every class you are doing the LCM problems. Cos theta LCM. Cos into 1 is cos plus sin plus 1. Sin into 1 is sin plus cos minus 1. Now multiply these two. What is the relation here? Bracket means into, no? We have to multiply. How to multiply? Full multiplication you can do. Cos into sin, cos into cos, cos into 1, sin into sin, sin into cos, sin into sin, 1 into sin, 1 into cos, 1 into 1. That full 9 terms we will get. Next step it can be simplified. That you can do. Directly you can multiply. Or there is some technique here. See here. Cos theta plus sin theta, this is also cos theta plus sin theta, same. Sin plus cos or cos plus sin, both are same, no? So this is some A. This is 1 as B. This total A. A plus B. A minus B. See here. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. This total is A. This is B. A minus B. See, what is the answer? A square, that means cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus B square is 1 square. Even if you do full multiplication also, same method we will get. Same procedure, same answer we will get. But this into this, this into this, this into this. Over. Next start with this. This into this, this into this, this into this. Next start with 1. 1 into sine, 1 into cos, 1 into 1. Like that you can do. But I took this as A. So this is also A. Because both are same now. A plus B. A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. A means what? Cos theta plus sin theta whole square. A square minus B means what? 1. Denominator is same. Cos into sin, same cos into sin. A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square formula. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now tell. A plus B whole square. A square cos square. B square means sin square. Plus 2AB means 2 cos theta sin theta. A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 1 square is 1 only. Same denominator. Next step. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. See the identity? First identity. First formula. Yesterday I told this formula. First formula. Of course. We wrote sin square plus cos square, but plus means A plus B, B plus A, both are same. So, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 formula I give. Just look at that formula. So, see here, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Wherever you get sin square, cos square theta plus sin square theta, the answer is 1. That is the first identity. We proved it also. I proved how this formula came also, I proved. See here. Cos square plus sin square is how much? 1. Cos square plus sin square is 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by denominator. See here. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. What is the numerator? 2 cos theta sin theta by denominator cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta cancel. Answer is 2. Like this. So practice this problem. Write down. Followed or not? All the formulas which I applied here, I wrote here. These are not new formulas. Yesterday itself I gave this. And now, of course, see, these formulas we studied in the beginning. Even before third exercise also I gave these formulas. In the beginning, at the time of definitions also we know these formulas. 3 times we studied about these formulas. So this is only the new formula. Yesterday we derived it. Anything if you are not following or bored, then if this is not visible, if the letters or numbers are not visible also, you can tell me. And even previously I gave one WhatsApp number also. In that also you can put your comments. If you suggest me to go a little slow or any suggestions for not only for my class, even on whatever live classes you are watching. physical science, biological science, Telugu, Hindi, English, and social studies also recently started. So whatever suggestions you want to give, you can send message through that previously I gave one WhatsApp number. Write down this problem, complete it, copy it. See here, this is simple problem. This is simple only, no confusion. Just a plus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula. Expand it. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Apply the formula. A plus b whole square. See the formula. What is it? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square. Expand it. A minus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Same a minus b whole square. See the formula. A square plus b square minus 2ab. See the formula for a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. That is the formula. Just expanded. No, I did not use any trigonometry formula. Just a plus b whole square formula which you studied in the 6th class. Every time you are using it. Okay. Now I am using one trigonometric formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Our first identity. I derived this formula yesterday. This was our first formula. Yesterday I gave some formulas. This is the first formula. See the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now in the previous problem also we used this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now I will apply that formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus same sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta cancel. Plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta cancel. 1 plus 1 is 2 answer. 1 plus 1 is 2. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So cos square, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is how much? 1. Why? That is the identity. That is a formula. We derived it. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Plus, what is this? This is also 1. 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Plus minus cancel. 1 plus 1, 2 answer. Followed or not? So if it is followed, then if you have followed, then write the third question. Badangpet branch. Complete it and write the third question. Third bit. See here. See here. How to simplify? There are various methods because there are so many formulas in trigonometry, relationship between the trigonometric ratios. So all methods we cannot apply for same problem. Different methods we cannot apply. Only one method we will apply. Whichever is simple, I will explain that. You practice, you remember that method. Otherwise, if you are perfect with the formulas, you can do your own also. See here. See the second identity. Second identity. See the second identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. See the second formula. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. I gave that formula. So same formula. 1 this side minus 1 and minus tan square that side plus tan square. So this is the formula I explained. I derived the formula also, but actually we studied secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. That is the original identity. But interchanging also I gave this. I gave this formula. See, once look at the formulas. See the formula. Secant square minus 1 is equal to directly tan square. And cosecant square minus 1 is equal to cot square. This formula also we have written. This is the identity. I derived this identity. See the identities. Just look at the formulas. Yesterday I gave these two formulas. If you are absent yesterday's class, you write down these formulas. Because whatever formulas I am using, again I am writing here. Even you also in the exam also, whatever you are applying any formula, you just write the formula so that you will get good marks. So every time whichever formula you are using, you mention the formula here. Now see. Secant square minus 1 tan square Bracket means into. Bracket means into only. Secant square minus 1 is equal to tan square. Bracket means we can write into. Because when two terms are there, we have to keep the bracket. Only one term is there, no need of bracket. If it is only one term, no need of bracket. Just we can write into. Next. Cosecant square minus 1 is equal to cot square. Cosecant square minus 1 is how much? Cot. How to further simplify this? I gave the relationship between tan and cot. There is a reciprocal relationship between tan and cot. See the formulas. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta or cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Anyone you can use. Cot is equal to 1 by tan. See this formula I gave. Yesterday we have written this formula, and even before the second exercise also same formula I gave, and even that is nothing but a basic definition. At that time also I explained. 3 times we studied this formula. See, tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is tan theta definition? Opposite by adjacent. Cot theta definition? Adjacent by opposite. Reverse. Reciprocal. 1 by. Tan and cot are reciprocal. Tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. Cot is equal to adjacent by opposite. That means 1 by reciprocal. So you change any one. I am changing tan same. Cot is equal to what? 1 by tan. Cot is equal to what? Cot is equal to 1 by tan. Square is square only. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, square, square only. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta, square, square only. Next step. Tan square theta into 1 square is 1 by tan square is tan square. Denominator tan square, numerator tan square cancel, 1 answer. I applied 3 formulas here. One is secant square minus 1 directly equal to tan square. I wrote it. Why? Because simplification. This becomes simple. Cosecant square minus 1 is equal to cot square formula. I gave this formula and I applied here. Cosecant square minus 1 is cot square. Next step is cot is equal to 1 by tan. For further simplification, you have to think whether there is a relation between tan and cot. Is there any formula between tan and cot? Like that you have to think. The formula between tan and cot is equal to 1 by tan, or tan is equal to 1 by cot. So cot is equal to 1 by tan, cot is equal to 1 by tan, square is square. So 1 square is 1, tan square is tan square, denominator tan square, numerator tan square cancel, 1 answer. Write down. And next question is a lengthy question, so we cannot complete within the time. No problem. You practice these 3, and students